go for it.
All right, how you doing today? My name is Mike. So here is a look at the Amia handle. And what we're looking at is this plastic clip right there. You can see that movement. We're looking for a nice snug fit right there. And we're also going to be looking down here in this area. And here I have another Amia handle. We want to make sure this Velcro is below the metal plate down here, if that makes sense. And I'll go ahead and show you what I mean. So I'm just going to lay the chair down so I can access the set screw. Set screw is right there. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it all the way. Take it all the way out. Go ahead and flip the chair back over. And as you can see, I'm able to remove the handle completely. And we want to make sure this Velcro part right here is below the metal part. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the handle back in there. All right. So what I think is happening is your part on your handle has come up too far. So we want to get the handle right here, loop it back underneath that plastic so it grips. All right, then we're going to go ahead and reinsert the set screw. All right, here's an important part. We want to drive the set screw all the way in. And as you can see, that tightens the handle up nice and well. You see the Velcro right down there below the frame. Make sure that set screw is tight. We'll tip it back over. And we're looking for nice and snug. A little bit of play, that's okay. But most importantly, the lever is below the metal plate. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.